Alright guys, today I'm going to share my crypto trading bot that has turned into a solid source of passive income for me. Out of all the make money online methods I've tested, running this AI agent has totally revolutionized my trading strategy. The coolest part is that it was entirely written by artificial intelligence. So even if the technical jargon sounds confusing, AI takes care of the heavy lifting and automates the entire system for you. This program capitalizes on specific inefficiencies on the Ethereum network, primarily by front-running trades on decentralized exchanges you've probably heard of, like Uniswap. In essence, the script executes a sandwich trade by scanning the pool where pending transactions sit. When it detects specific trades, it bids a slightly higher gas fee, forcing our transaction to process right before theirs, immediately followed by a sell execution. This technique lets us secure a profit margin from the exact price shifts caused by those pending orders. You'll need an extension like this one if you haven't got one already. Most providers should work fine. Next, head over to this platform. This environment is built for launching smart contracts directly onto Ethereum. I've included all the necessary links for everything you need down in the description. Go ahead, create a new file and name it something simple and one word. Here's the source code we'll be using. Once again, this is available in the description below. You're welcome to audit the logic using any tool or service you prefer, as it's completely open source code. Copy and paste it directly into your new file. The code has detailed comments behind all of the logic. Now, check out the side panel and go to this tab. These two versions should match. If they don't, change it to the same one shown at the top of the code. Next, I'll click here. Perfect. Now we need to connect our extension. Move over to this tab. Select this option from the list and click Connect when the pop-up appears. If everything is configured correctly, your account information will show here. Click here and confirm. This will cost no more than $1 and is a fee for deploying infrastructure to the network. There we go. Down here is my control panel for the bot. Only 3 functions, all very self-explanatory. Now, click here to verify everything was set up correctly. Ensure that the address shown here match. This proves that you have absolute control over the system. Next up is adding liquidity. The agent requires a minimum of 1 Ethereum, though 2 to 10 ETH is the sweet spot. You aren't capped on how much you can deposit. However, during my own trials, returns started to taper off around the 50 ETH mark. Larger amounts of liquidity allows the agent to handle higher volume trades, boosting potential profits. The 1 ETH minimum is mathematically necessary. Deploying anything under that threshold results in gas depletion and liquidity errors, ultimately causing losses. Stay away from running this bot if you cannot use that 1 Ethereum minimum or more. Click here to copy your agent's address. Make sure your wallet has at least 1 Ethereum plus a little extra to cover fees. Paste your agent's address. Input your chosen amount. I'm going to use 2. Remember, it must be exactly 1 ETH or more and submit it. Great, the liquidity has cleared. Let's click this button to verify the system recognizes it. Everything looks good. It's time to fire it up. Click the start button right here and confirm it. There we go. It's now running. I'm going to leave this trading in the background and report back a bit later. Fast forward a few hours. I'll go ahead and check it by clicking here. Pretty decent so far, considering it reacts directly to real-time market volume. Performance will always fluctuate strictly based on network congestion and live volatility. To ensure this test is stable, I'm going to let it do its thing for the rest of the day. Alright, it has been 24 hours, an entire day. Let's check our progress. Incredible! Watching these numbers go up is always satisfying. In the terminal logs, you can track every single routing action and trade the contract executed. I like this because you can review everything the agent did rather than just showing a final result with no way to see what actually happened during the live trading. When you're satisfied and ready to withdraw, just click here and confirm it. Take a look at that. Truly remarkable. This never gets old. Please keep in mind that this video is strictly for educational use, and I am by no means a professional. Nothing shown today should be taken as professional financial advice. I'm purely sharing my personal experience. I've dropped my contact in the description if you have any questions. Until next time, be sure to drop a like on the video and hit that subscribe button. I'll be dropping more content like this very soon.